best great grandpa. He has always been there for me and he's always made me laugh.
William was my dad, and not just my dad, my best friend. He was always there for me and my family during the good times and the bad times. And I think since we moved back from Joburg, we were just more closer to him.
Daddy, I don't think I will ever be able to comprehend how much you loved me. I will treasure the memories we have made together. I love you and you are forever in my heart.
Growing up, my papa was always there for me. I still recall the first day of school when he dropped me off and the tantrum I threw. My papa was someone I always wanted to grow up and be like. He was someone who inspired me.
Pappa G, I really enjoyed our chats about gardening and plants, and I will miss them dearly.
Papa, what a privilege it was to have you right by my side for every single important milestone in my life.
Papa, thank you for all the guidance. We really appreciate it. You were not only a role model to us, but you were also a very funny grandfather. We will cherish all the moments with you.
This year, Patrick and I got the opportunity to have a couple of very good moments with Papa. There's one specific moment that actually means so much to me, and that will stay with me for eternity.
Yeah, I don't know Papa that well, but the few moments I had with him when he was talking about his past was extremely fun. It was cool to know that it was like a gruwelijk.
I want to say thank you, Dad, for the good memories we had, the love you shared with us, the memories, the travels that we have had together. And I think that's where I get it from today. That's why I'm driving and holidaying all the time. Thanks very much for that.
God saw Papa getting tired, and the cure was not to be. So he put his arms around him and said, "Come to me."
With tearful eyes, as we watched him suffer and saw him slowly fade away.
Although we loved him dearly, we could not make him stay.
A golden heart stopped beating, hard-working hands put to rest. God broke our hearts to prove to us He only takes the best.
We love
and miss you
so much.